That was a windmill.
That windmill exactly. That windmill exactly like my Mini. That windmill exactly.
That actually jump scared me so bad.
That windmill was exactly like my Mini.
Yeah.
Literally like growling my Mini, dude.
How was it sick?
Oh yeah.
Alert! Oh no!
It windmilled right as I hit the record button.
Yeah.
Oh no, right as I was about to. Now do you believe me? That Thunderbolt is nothing compared to
that. Could beat a Thunderbolt.
No, there's like, well, still, 5,000. Everywhere comparable at that point.
That was I don't even know anymore.
And that blower sounded beautiful. Yes. I told you, he doesn't beat the P50. Davey, this is what I experienced with Darian 13 years ago. Dude, wow. This is why I love Hurricanes so much.